In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ACH payments on QuickBooks Online invoices. First, open Google Chrome and sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Chrome tends to offer the smoothest experience with QuickBooks, so if you normally use another browser, switching over can help avoid odd glitches or blocked pop-ups. If you have multiple company files, be sure you're in the correct one before moving on. Once you're in, look to the left menu and click Sales, then choose Invoices. This is your central hub for everything related to the bills you send to customers. Here you can see open, paid, and overdue invoices or start a brand new one. Create a new invoice or open an existing invoice for the customer you want to enable ACH for. If you're creating one from scratch, select your customer, add the products or services, confirm the invoice date and due date, and double check the total. Clear, accurate details here make the payment process smoother for your customer. On the invoice, locate the payment options and enable ACH by selecting Accept ACH Bank Transfers. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a toggle or checkbox labeled Bank Transfer or ACH. Turning this on allows your customer to pay directly from their bank account, often with lower fees than credit cards, and with funds deposited straight to your business bank account. If this is your first time using ACH in QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to verify your bank account and complete payment processing setup. Follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked for your business details, your bank account information, and to confirm ownership. Some users see instant bank connection options. Others may complete verification with small test deposits. If you encounter micro deposits, just return later to confirm the amounts when QuickBooks requests them. This setup is typically a one-time process, and once it's done, ACH will be available as a payment option on future invoices. When your invoice looks good and ACH is enabled, send it to your customer. Click Save and Send, review the email message, and make sure the payment options show bank transfer or ACH. You can preview the payment page to confirm your customer will see the ACH option clearly, then send it off. A couple of final tips. Let your customer know ACH is a secure, convenient way to pay and may have lower fees. Payments usually clear in a few business days, so plan your cash flow accordingly. If you don't see the ACH option on an invoice, revisit the payment options on that invoice and ensure the toggle is on.